Good morning. Now, in today's adventure, we are here in Tipperary. So we booked our place here in Cahir. It's a gCorr lodge and hotel. And from here, makikita mo ang mountains. Wow. It's a very nice place actually. It's really quiet.
Very
Accessible and well, actually naka-book kami tonight. Pero maaga kami. We're just a bit early, so we'll just grab our breakfast inside and we'll just wait if pwede na kaming mag-check-in even if it's too early. So, but for now, medyo check muna yung place. Now, there we go. Oops. There we go. Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Hey. Our travel time pala guys, we left our home in Dublin around 6:15 and we arrived here at around 8 o'clock. Around 8 o'clock, so it's almost 2 hours din ang biyahe, but it's very smooth, walang traffic, walang hassle, so it's nice. It is 189 kilometers away from Dublin, so it's a good time, I think. So okay, we'll just go in and have breakfast first.
Hello, Pearl.
Hello, vlogger. How are you today? You are a prettiness and all. You're a ballerina. And this is my boy. This is my
Cousin.
my cousin Emma. He's my human. He's my king. King and all.
So okay guys, we just got out from our hotel, and our first place that we're going to see and visit is the V. So it will take us there in 23 minutes. So we will see you guys in there and we'll update you with the place. Okay, so we have arrived. We are now here on the V. Now, karating na tayo.
I'm on the top of the world. What on creation. Tas yung drone.
Kaya? Kaya bang maglakad? Papunta doon?
Pearl doon?
No?
Imagine ko doon lang.
Pababa.
Ito parang mahirap-hirap.
Ay, oo nga, no? Yeah, okay, so the border. County Waterford. You know, County Waterford na siya sa kabila.
May tubig ba kaya? May tubig ka?
Okay, so we're starting to walk.
Ivan, madugas!
Hey? Hello. You ready? You ready?
No.
Hey. You ready? It's very nice up here.
Sweet songs they have sung. Pero kung pumunta ka dito nang wala yung bulaklak, parang mahanap. Kung hindi pa namumulaklak mga yan, yung kanina ang daming bulaklak talagang.
Parang sa ano, sa sweet tooth, no?
Sa sweet tooth.
Numpisan nyo na yan?
Hello.
Hello.
You can do it, yeah? Ewan! Suray si Ewan eh.
Ayun o, may trail doon na taas.
Ayan, so I've started walking, going down to the Baylough Lake. Baylough. It's called Baylough.
Ibang type. Hold my hand, friend. You might fall down.
Dito na tayo, oh.
Masisida siguro atin ako.
Talagang pang camping ha. Pala yun.
And okay guys, so stay muna kami dito and we're just cooking some food.
Having coffee.
Coffee. Coffee time. And Pearl's having her snack. And so was Emmanuel. And nagpapainit lang ng food.
Aming chef.
And guess what's our food? Adobo.
Guess what's for lunch? Adobo.
Ooh, yum, adobo. Okay, pahinaan mo na pa. And rice, because rice is life. Wow. Look, say hello. Say hi. Hi. And there's Ate Pearl. Come on, Pearl. You can do it, Pearl. Okay.
Hi, vlog. Welcome to my house.
Channel.
Channel. Welcome. We're here in the
Baylough.
Bay Lough. So
What can you say about the lake?
the lake is smaller
Smaller?
and the lake is big.
Okay. Okay, so we're just
Going up.
Going up now sa parking area. We enjoyed our stay here in the Bay Lough, located here in Tipperary. It's such a nice place to be visited and highly recommended. Mas maganda is it's better if you bring your own food. You can
Barbecue.
eat here and get all your food and continue on walking. So yeah. Kaya pa ba? Kaya, Pearl? Ang ganda ng view dito. Nice. Okay, just an update. So we've just left the V or tsaka yung Baylough. So it's in the lake within the Knockmealdown Mountains. Napakaganda. It is full of rhododendron flowers. So napakaganda ng mga view and the flowers. So we really did enjoy it. We didn't really had the chance to walk the whole trail sa the V, but we took a lot of photos and aerial videos, so nakita naman namin ang view. Now we are just here in Cahir Castle. Cahir or Cahir? Cahir Castle. And we're just gonna go inside and check it out. So far we're enjoying the place, and it's kind of packed. Well, not really, but it's really good, and the weather is nice. Very, very warm today, so make sure to tune in, and we'll see you guys inside the castle.